There are only two things that are certain: death and taxes. When it comes to moving from a hobby to a business, there are a few changes that you will need to make so that you are all set to go tax-wise. I strongly suggest researching what entities are best for you. Reaching out to someone who knows what's going on and what's legal will be of great benefit, especially since you don't want the tax collector to come knocking on your door. Depending on the country or state you live in, some of the information I talk about in this video may not apply to you. I'm also not an expert in these matters and prefer to get information about these delicate matters from those who have degrees and experience in the field. Let's make a phone call.